Well, I'm trying to be all about the power of positivity and just kind of help lift people up if you think you're having a bad day.
I am.
It can't even, yeah, see? It can't be as bad as this woman in Baltimore. This woman in Baltimore is actually suing the city, counselors, and a contractor after she was blown off her exploding toilet.
Oh my God.
No, this is a true story.
Who would buy an exploding toilet?
No.
Like it was a pre-exploding.
That doesn't sound like a fun game to me. Oh yes.
That's a graphic image.
Oh my.
Sadly, she was sitting on the toilet when the city decided to hire a contractor to use high-pressure hoses to clean out the sewer lines.
Oh my God.
Did one go down her throat?
Hey, what time of day was this, though?
I don't know.
Was this like morning, like you get up all groggy, you go to the bathroom, and boom, you're launched off
Is there a good time to be covered in a geyser of feces?
No, there's no good time. I just wanted to know how jarring it was.
A geyser of feces.
Geyser. And she had to clean it up afterwards.
Why?
Because this happened over a year ago. They still haven't fixed her bathroom.
Oh.
She is apparently suing $14,000 just to fix the bathroom itself.
Oh my Lord.
And then
I'd have
lawyer is
to move,
going to
quite
seek.
frankly.
Yeah, I'd be disturbed for sure.
Another $250,000 for emotional and psychological distress of the fact that she was blown off
Literally
the toilet,
launched off her toilet,
covered in feces. And
God.
what makes this story even better is it was the second time it happened.
Oh my.
What?
The first time, luckily, she wasn't sitting on the John when it exploded.
She was
Oh
what?
my.
Beside it?
I don't know.
Having a
But
What city is this?
Baltimore. This was in Baltimore.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to
That
Baltimore.
explains a little bit, I guess.
So, I mean, the moral of the story is, if you think you're having a shitty day,
I honestly feel so much better now. I honestly feel so much better.
Wow.
Thank you, lady, with your exploding toilet, because
I
I'm
have bad
honestly
dreams
riding on
tonight,
cloud nine
actually.
right now. I
Just
feel
call
so.
me lady?
No,
Or the lady
the lady,
Baltimore.
yes,
Okay,
yeah.
just clarifying.
Nobody's calling you
I
later.
was going to say, we just
Okay.
met. That's nice.
All right.
I like
He
to be
doesn't know.
a gentleman
Yeah.
about it.